Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video and good afternoon to all of you. So today I'll be talking about Translate English. So let's come to the point and let's get started. And share it on your Facebook so that most of the people can be benefited anyway. So I have a long gap. I have some kind of issue. Does not matter, okay? Let's come to the point. Okay, number one. আমি জানি না সে কি করেছিল এবং কি করেছিল না। আমি জানি সে কি করেছিল এবং কি করে না। I know what he did and what he didn't. Okay? আমি জানি সে কি করেছিল এবং কি করেছিল না। I know what he did and what he didn't. Okay? Number 2, আমি যেতে চেয়েছিলাম কিন্তু যেতে পারিনি। Okay? I went to go there. I went to go there, but I didn't go there. Okay? আমি যেতে চেয়েছিলাম কিন্তু যেতে পারিনি। I want to go there but I didn't. Okay, and this is the past sentence. Okay, I hope you understand. Number 3, আমি 10 দিনের মধ্যে কাজটি করব। Okay, I will do this work within 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 10 days. Okay, আমি 10 দিনের মধ্যে কাজটি করব। I will do this work within 10 days. Okay, within means মধ্যে. Okay, I hope you understand. And the last one is আমার সময় ছিল না সেজন্য আমি যাইনি। Okay, I didn't have time to go there. I didn't have time to go there. That's why I didn't go there. Okay, আমার সময় ছিল না সেজন্য আমি যাইনি। I didn't have time to go there. That's why I didn't go there. Okay, so the end of this Translate English. So how was the class? Let me know and share it on your Facebook, your friends, your family, your cousins, your colleague, neighbor. It can be anything. So have a great day. See you some other time. Take care of yourself. Bye. And I request to you that you have to practice. If you want to do, you have to practice. Okay, I hope you understand all those things and have a great day. See you some other time. Bye. Oh my.